guys, welcome back to my channel. I know most of you are just seeing me for the very first time. So today what we are going to be talking about is how to create kids rhymes, kids nursery rhymes. So the tools we need for this nursery rhymes or nursery songs are ChatGPT, Suno AI, Microsoft Bing, and Pigverse AI. These are the tools that we need in creating this kids nursery song. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do now is to go to ChatGPT. So when you go to ChatGPT, just tap on the icon. If you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, all you need to do is to go to Play Store and download it. This is your Google Play Store right here to download your ChatGPT. All you need to do is to tap on it. So when you tap on it, all you need to do is to type the kind of song that you want to create. So now here is my prompt. Create a fun catchy kids song that teaches the A to Z alphabet and what each letter represents with rhymes, repetition, and engaging melodies. Let's see what ChatGPT gave us. So these are what ChatGPT gave me. It created a song. A to Z, come sing with me, letter sound and what they be. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Learning fun with you and me. So that is our song. Here is all our song prompts that ChatGPT gave us. So now the next thing we are going to do is to tell it to give us an image prompt. Yes, image prompt for our song. Because in order for us to be able to create this video, we need image prompts. So that represent the song. So I told ChatGPT to create text prompts based on the song above vibrant. Based on the song approve of vibrant kids, friendly 3D letters A to Z, or on a colorful field with bright sky, fluffy clouds, a shiny sun, and playful elements. What you just need to do is to send it. Can you see that ChatGPT make the mistake? It did not separate the prompts, so it just give us a prompt in one sentence. So what we need to do is to just tell it to break it down into sentences or more, depending on what you want. And remember to tell it to make sure that it rhymes with the first song prompt that he gave us, so that ChatGPT will not make a mistake. Here are the song prompts that ChatGPT gave me. Can you see from scene 1 to scene 10? So he gave me 10 scenes. So all we need to do is to make sure that your scene, make sure you read the song and then you read your image prompt to be sure if the image prompt and your actual song rhymes, so that you won't be your song will be saying something else while your prompt is saying, your image is saying something else. So make sure you get it right. The next step is to copy. Now we need to copy all our image prompts. We need to copy it and keep it somewhere. You can keep it in your notepad or your Google Drive. You make sure you copy where it's important and not where it's not important. Like example, all those sure, have fun, all those ones you don't need them. All you need to do is to long press. This is where our songs start from. So all we need to do is to long press. Then you type on select text. Then drag it. Keep on dragging it down. Drag it down. Drag it down till we are able to select all our songs. Then all you need to do after that is to copy. The next thing we need to do now is to go to our notepad or our Google Drive. Here is our notepad. In case you don't have notepad on your mobile phone, you can go to your Play Store to download it. So some mobile phones do have notepad. So what you need to do is to tap on your notepad. So when you tap on your notepad, just tap on this plus sign. Then you paste what you have copied. So when you paste them, you just need to save. The next thing is to go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to our prompts. Then what we need to do is to go to our image prompts. Then we do the same, we copy. So from scene 1, long press, then you select everything, drag it down till you select everything from scene 1 to 10. You tap on copy. Then you go back to your notepad and then tap on the plus sign, then paste this, and you can just title it image prompt. Then you save. So the next thing we are going to do now is to generate our song. All we need to do is to go to Chrome. So when you get to Chrome, all you just need to do is to type on Suno AI. So that's what we need to create our song, Suno AI. So when you tap on it, just tap on it, then this is right here, so you just tap on it. All you need to do is to sign up. Just sign in with whatever you want, either your phone number or your Google account. So I prefer my own Google account to tap on this. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you verify you are human. So you sign in. Just tap on anything to get started. So what you need to do is to tap on this white box at the middle here. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, all you need to do is to turn off instrumental. It's on now, so just turn it off. It should be showing black and not white. So turn it off. So when you turn it off, it's custom right here. Just turn it on. All you need to do now is to tap on this V3.5 right here. Then you change it to V4. So when you change it to V4, all you need to do is to paste your script. This is why we save our music prompt in our notepad. So what we need to do now is to go back to our notepad or Google Drive. When you get to your notepad, you just need to tap on the song we copied and pasted right here. So here it is, you just tap on it, then you long press, select all, then you copy. So when you copy, you just have to go back to our Suno AI, then you tap on this, enter your lyrics, then you paste it. You tap on this star of your music, so you have to paste a type of music that you want. You can go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to tell you the song prompt it's great for you. Now it should give you a style of music. Let's go back to ChatGPT to tell you to give us a style. Go back to your initial prompt then. All you need to do is to just type what should be the style of our music. Once ChatGPT give you a style, just tap on it, select text, then you copy. So when you copy, you go back to Chrome, then we paste our song star. So now, all we need to do now is to give it a title. So we can just say kids educational song. Next thing we need to do after we have placed our prompts, our style, and then our title, all we need to do is to tap on create. Then wait for it to create. Since it creates two for us. So now let's just play it and see so that we can choose the one that we want. That's the first one. So let's play the second one to see. I think I prefer the second one. So now let's download it. So all you need to do is to long press on it, then tap on download. Then let's see, let it download. So tap on download anyways. I'll download to our file so we can just open to check it. I'm super excited right now to be able to teach you. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up right now. I hope you have already subscribed to this channel. So the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to generate our image. Tools we need for this image generator is Microsoft Bing. Me, I prefer Microsoft Bing because it gives you the grace and the opportunity to generate more image. Yes, you'll be able to generate plenty of images. All you need to do is to go to Chrome. So when you get to Chrome, you just search for Bing image creator, then you send. I think this is it right here. So what you need to do is to just tap on it. When you tap on it, this is the interface that is going to bring for you. What we need to do now is to go right into our notepad where we copy and keep our image prompt. So we have to go back there. So when you get to notepad, all you need to do is just tap on your image prompt. So when you tap on your image prompt, you long press and copy only the image prompts that you need. So just tap on copy. Then the next thing we are going to do is to go back to Chrome, our image creator. So all you need to do is to tap on where you want to paste your prompts, then you paste it. So all you need to do is to go back again and refresh. Read it again to be sure that it is perfect for what you need in the background, white kids class and so on. So all you need to do is to just tap on create. Tap on create. Sometimes you need to change some things because sometimes if your prompt is not well detailed, you won't be able to get the right image. So you need to keep editing and keep adding some things to it until it gives you the best image that you want. Look at what it gives us. So now you have to pick from here. So I think this is best because of the image. It's right A Z. So I think it's better. And here is the letter right here too. So sometimes if you want to download, just tap on this three dot here. Only it used to give options like for you to resize. You just tap on the resize. Landscape is for YouTube and square is for Facebook and TikTok. But I don't know what happened to mine. It's not showing the resize anymore. So yours might still show it. So all you need to do is to just tap on, after you resize, you just download it. So when you download, it automatically download to your gallery. You go back again to your notepad to get your second image prompt. So all you need to do is to long press and then drag it. So you copy the next prompt, then you go to your Microsoft Bing. You tap on this, you cancel the first one, then you paste the second prompt, then you edit it to whatever you want and you generate. That's how you are going to generate all your image prompts. That's how you are going to generate all your image prompts. I can't show you all in this video in order not to make the video too long. So that's how you are going to generate. The next thing we have to be doing now is to turn our image to video. So now what we need to do now is to go to Chrome. So when you get to Chrome, you just tap on the search bar and then type peace verse AI. This is right here. So all you need to do is tap on it. We need to sign in anyway because we have 100 credits. All we need to do now is to tap on this video, this image icon here. Then we pick our image. Where's our first image? I think this is our first image. Oh, okay. Let's choose this one. Now, so when you paste it, all you need to do is to describe it the way you want it to be. So now we can go back to our notepad to go and copy our image prompt for that first scene. You can use the same prompt. Sorry. So you can just copy the first prompt. So all you need to do is to now go there and then paste it. So you paste it. So when you paste it, then all you need to do is to tap on create. Can you see that we are going to be using 20 coins to generate our video? But that's why I said you can only generate few in one day. We have 100 coins, so we can still generate like 5 videos today. So now let's create. Just tap on create. Then let's wait and see what it's going to give us. Can you see that our coins remains 80? So which means you use 20 coins for one video, which means for 100 coins you can only generate 5 videos in a day. So now it has generated. So let's just tap on it and see what it's create for us. So can you see? So all you need to do is to tap on this download icon here. You tap on watermark. So you can just download it and keep it in your photo. So you tap on update. That way we are uploading it. So all you just need to do is to go to photo. All you need to do is to go to your Google photo. Okay, here is it. So you tap on it. Check to confirm that it has downloaded. So here is it right here. So you just check it. Next thing we are going to be doing is to create our song. We need to merge everything together to make our song. All we need to first do now is to go to our photo. Go to our Google photo. So when you get to your Google photo, all you need to do is to select all your videos, then download them to your main gallery, download them to your device. So you tap on download. So once you are done downloading it from your Google photo, so all you need to do is to go to CapCut. So you go to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, you need to download it on your Play Store. And that Google photo also, sometimes some people don't have it on their mobile phone. So all you need to do is to download it from your Google Play Store so that you'll be able to download your videos to it from your Pixvax. Tap on CapCut. So when you get to CapCut, you tap on new project. Select your videos from, you make sure it's aligned. This is the first scene, this is the second scene, this is the third scene. Tap on the next one. So then you add it. Just make sure that you select all your images according to the scenes. Then the next thing you're going to do is to tap on audio right here. Then you tap on sound. Then you tap on this box. Then you tap on device. Then we'll go and look for our
audio, our song. The title of our song earlier was an educational kids educational song. So that's what we are going to look for. This is it right here. So you tap on this plus sign. Then the next thing we are going to be doing now is to align our song and our videos. What you are going to do now is you play it, then make sure that you align them one after the other till you finish your video. Now let's start. All you need to do is to just make sure that you align the images and the audio together. Make sure it's aligned. So you keep playing them and you play it. So when you play, you make sure that what the audio is talking about is actually what is being displayed in the video. So just make sure you align it together correctly till you are done with your videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and anything you need me to do, tell me in the comment section. As for the watermark on your images, all you need to do is to remove the watermark. Either you zoom it in, you zoom your video in to eradicate the watermark, or you follow my instruction on one of my videos where I show you how you are going to remove watermark from your videos. So all you need to do is to check on it in my description box and then watch it to the end so that you know how to remove watermark. So kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful. Thank you.